Next topic is isopoly and heteropoly anions. We have studied the comparison of 4D and 5D series transition elements with 3D series transition elements. Isopoly and heteropoly anions, these are the ions of the weak acid anhydrides. Weak acid like as SiOH whole 4, that is silicic acid SiOH की tetrahydroxide silicon. Then H3PO4, that is phosphoric acid, and H2CrO4, that is chromic acid, etc. These acids are the weak acid, and when these acids combine together with itself, the water is removed and they form their respective anhydrides. This is the first unit of the silicic acid, and this one is the another one unit of the silicic acid. When these acids combine together, the water is removed, minus H2O is removed to form the acid anhydride or silicic acid anhydride, like as silicon, here OH, this one is OH, this one is OH, this is oxygen. This oxygen directly will attach to this silicon having 3OH group. This is the anhydride of the silicic acid. When these anhydride remove all the H positive ions, here are 4 H positive ions, so minus 4 H positive ion to form silicic acid anhydrides ion. So all the H are removed and the oxygen which are having H positive will carry negative charge. So this is the anhydride of the silicic acid, or I can say the ion of silicic acid anhydride. Similarly, this is the unit of the chromic acid, H2CrO4. Chromic acid is also weak acid, and this is the another unit of the chromic acid. This weak acid, when combined together, water is removed. When the water is removed, they form chromic acid anhydride. This oxygen will directly attach to the another chromium metal to form chromic acid anhydride. When this chromic acid anhydride remove all the H positive ion, that is 2 H positive ion, to form chromic acid anhydride ion. This is our chromic acid anhydride ion. Similarly, we can take phosphoric acid, that is P double bond O, OH, OH and OH. Supposed to be this is the another unit of the phosphoric acid, P double bond O, OH, OH and OH. When these weak acid combine together, water is removed. When water is removed, they form phosphoric acid anhydride, like as chromic and silicic acid. When H positive ion is removed, when all these 4 H positive ions are removed, minus 4 H positive to form phosphoric acid anhydride ion. The solution of these weak acid get easily condensed and to form their respective anhydride ions by removal of H positive ions. These anhydride ions condense together in cluster. Many units of the anhydride ions condense together to form a cluster. This cluster is called as isopoly or heteropoly anions. This form the isopoly and heteropoly anions. When only one type of the acidic anhydride ion is condensed in the cluster, it forms isopoly anions. In our first case, as we have seen that we are having 3 type of the isopoly anion hydride, that is Cr, O, Cr, double bond O, O negative, double bond O and O negative. This is the chromic acid anhydride. This is first type of the anhydride anion. This is the second type of the anhydride ion, that is the phosphoric acid anhydride ion, and this one is the third type of the anhydride ion, which are formed from the weak acids. If only this one type of the anhydride ion is present in the ionic cluster, Such kind of the anion is called as isopolyanions. Isopolyanions are less common in 3D metal as compared to 4D and 5D metals, like as Cr2O7. This one is Cr2O7 2 negative. This is the simplest isopoly anion of the 3D metals. Cr2O7 2 negative. Next is Cr3O10 27 negative. If these three units are combining together, if these four units are combining together, CrO13 2 negative. All these are the isopolyanions. The isopoly and heteropoly anions. Next one is the heteropoly anions. When more than one type of the acid and hydride ions are present in the cluster, such type of the anions are called as heteropoly anions. For example, PMO12 O43 negative. In this type of the heteropoly anions, two type of the acetic anhydride, that is phosphoric acid anhydride as well as the molybdenic acid anhydride is present, like as chromium Cr double bond O OH and OH. In case of chromium, CH2CrO4 unit is used. But here in case of the molybdenum, this is the chromic acid. Like as the chromic acid, there is a molybdenic acid in which this chromium metal is changed by the molybdenum metal, that is H2MoO4. In this, the monomer unit of the acetic anhydride is MO double bond O OH and OH. So here two type of the weak acids or weak acid anions are present. One is the molybdenic acid and another one is the phosphoric acid. Similarly, the another example is tungstenic acid and the phosphoric acid, which form the heteropoly anions, like as P2W18O62 6 negative. This is also an example of the heteropoly anion, in which two type of the weak acids are present. One is the tungstenic acid, that is H2WO4. Here chromium metal is replaced by the tungsten metal, and another one is the phosphoric, that is S3PO4. Two type of the weak acid anions are present. This is a case of the heteropoly anions. The 4D and 5D metals 4D and 5D metals form large number of isopoly and heteropoly anions as compared to 3D metals. These two examples are the case of the heteropoly anions. The another example is the isopoly anion, that is MO7O34 6 negative. So this is the example of the isopoly anions, because in this anion only one type of the acid, that is molybdenic acid H2MoO4 is used.